In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose General Management. Following that, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Theme. Then click on the best one for you, in my case Solid Dark. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always try something else by going into Play Store and installing Gboard. Remember that it has to be from Google Developer. When your app is ready, click on Open. Now choose Enable in Settings. Tap on this gray sweater next to Gboard and tap on OK in Attention pop-up. Then select the Back button. Now click on Select Input Method and choose Gboard from the list. Lastly, click on Done and close Gboard app. In order to continue, you need to access Settings and tap on General Management again. This time though, tap on Gboard Settings and click on Theme. Now you can scroll down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this sweater, and lastly, choose Apply. This way, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed again. If you want to customize it though, go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon instead. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, pick one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources. After tapping on the photo, you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and choose Apply. If you wish to get rid of one of your keyboards, click on the chosen one. Tap on this pin icon next to key borders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by clicking on it, choosing this pen icon in the middle of keyboarder's sweater and pin icon, and make your changes. Then tap on Save, click on Apply one more time, and go back. Finally, this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!